Hello everyone and welcome back to BattleBlockTheater. We are so close to getting to the end of this, but yet so far. And this already seems awful. Hold on, maybe, right, what do I do? Where are you going? Okay, alright, go, alright, okay, alright. Horsey Jim, thank you very much. And that is a saw. How am I supposed to get over there? Horsey Jim, can you do something, please? What do I do? Oh. Okay, that was a lot more simple than I thought. Oh no, not this! It's another puzzle! Okay. It doesn't seem too difficult, but I am wrong in a lot of situations like this, so we'll just see how wrong okay, I wasn't wrong. Yeah, okay. I think I messed up. You could have gave a little warning about that. Just a little one. But no, just had to let me die horribly. Okay, I see how you guys are. No. Okay, this was super easy, thankfully. Yeah. It's time consuming. Alright. Duck thing. Need your help. I failed. Alright, just go. Duck thing. Oh no! No! I'm stuck in this continuous loop of idiocy. No! Alright, well, that one's stupid. Where are you going? Oh man. Alright, Horsey Jim. Don't run off this time, alright? Okay. No. Okay. Let's go, Horsey Jim. Alright. I can see I'm gonna be doing this over and over, and I can already see this puzzle getting extremely tedious. That's wonderful. Thankfully, it's not that hard, like that one puzzle, you know, that one episode with that one puzzle, the one I was Donut Man, that one. Yeah, hope it's not like that. No! I'm stuck again. Okay. No, help me please. Yeah, thank you. Now go that way. Oh, it seems horrible.
Where are you putting these?
Actually, it's not that bad. Okay. More lasers. Wonderful. Get through. Yes. No! I didn't see that. Now I'm disappointed. This is gonna take forever, isn't it? Okay. No! I feel like I'm getting worse and worse. This is just hard. I wish I knew how to speak English. He keeps walking off all the way over there. I don't know why. No! Where are you going? Dude! Why did you do that? It's like he's not. It's like he's He's against me. Dang it! I am getting worse at this. That's horrible. This is gonna take years. Just go, you stupid horse. No. I hate this game. Alright, horse. Get over here. Why is the game going so slow now? Okay, there we go. That's better. No, it isn't. Dang it. Alright, whatever. It's fine. That's a song. Okay. Finally. I don't know why that took so many years. Alright. Stupid puzzle is already getting tedious. Okay, go, you stupid thing. I don't know what it is. Some sort of thing. Okay, now go up there, Mr. Duckosaurus. Thank you. Now go. You're free. No. Alright. Now remember, there's a laser down there. No. Alright. I almost died again. I don't trust this. Huh. Weird. Oh. It just got worse. Much worse. Alright, come over here. The thingy. Okay, so I think it's either gonna be easier or more difficult now. I don't know. Hoping it's gonna be easier, but I mean, if I'm playing this game, nothing is ever going to be easier ever again. So, duck thing. Where's it going? Oh, it's going to Death Town. Help me up. Thank you. Alright, now this way. Wonderful. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Hey, I gotta say something real quick. People that made these levels, I mean, these levels sure are horribly annoying and enraging, but I mean, they did a really good job. Like, bravo. Like, good job. And now that, oh no, this is gonna be horrible, isn't it? Alright. Where are you going? This horse, he's kinda dumb. Just a little bit. Come on, yes. And victory is ours. Okay, that did not take that long. So, like I said in the last episode, hopefully we can complete the next level too, and then in the next episode we can go to the cat door. Oh man, the cat door is gonna be awful, isn't it? It might even need multiple episodes. That sounds horrible. Let's see. I'm confused already. What's down here? Things. Oh, okay. I'd rather not go that way. Rather not. So let's just, okay, gotta go that way. Okay. I get perfect timing. Uh-oh. I think I made a mistake. What do I do? Oh, I gotta take him out. Got him. Alright. Easy enough. Oh, I see. Alright. Now what? Do I just keep that there? Alright, so do I go this way now? It's this way. Oh. Oh, wait. How did I not see that? Oh, okay. Well, doesn't really help me at all. Not yet, anyways. Okay. Okay. Okay, I see that. Okay, I know what to do with that. Oh man, this is just to get the yarn. I mean, the yarn's great and all, but I already have all the weapons, so it's kind of useless. I guess it makes the cats happy. Maybe we'll stop trying to murder me as much. No, probably not. Probably just gonna try to murder me even more now. Oh, and there's a thing I can do right there. How do I not notice these things? And die, die, die. Alright, thank you very much. Okay, now do this again. Wonderful. Okay. Now that's all set up. Now do this. Oh no. 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 Oh, that was terrifying. Oh no. No. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait. Yeah. Wait, what? Where did you come from? Yeah. Thank you for dying. I appreciate it very much. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I'm really nervous because... Oh no, I'm just really nervous. Is the exit open now? Was level that easy? Is this gonna be a really short episode? Maybe it will be. I have a feeling that this is important, so I'm gonna take it. Okay, I just wasted thing. Okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna go get the jetpack again. Cause yeah, it's gone now. Okay. Alright. What do I do with this? Oh wait, there's a rock right there. It's right. Oh god, that's a lot of cats. There we go. Oh wait, does that mean that they're free? Yep, yeah, it definitely means that. Okay, well, let's see. Go away. Stop that. Thank you. I'll take that. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, nah. He's dead. It's a good thing. Okay, now to go get Horsey Jim. Wherever he was. Right in here. Horsey Jim! Come this way. This way, Horsey Jim. Okay. Where do we go with Horsey Jim? Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Yeah, okay, that was super easy. Suspicious. Well, since we completed those so fast, I suppose we could get a little look at the cat door. Just a little look. Look at it. Okay, let's go. Alright. So much stuff in the way. What do you think's in that safe? I don't know. Okay. Just get a little look at this. I hope it doesn't look... Oh my god. Okay, let's just see what is up with this. Oh no, not you! Go, no, no! Oh, this is the worst guy, no! This is the worst one. I think he's the most annoying because he can just ruin your chances of escaping. Can I destroy you, please? Oh no, no! This guy is a horrible person. Or, cat. Okay, okay. I think I can get out here. Oh yes, use him to stand on. Okay. Uh-oh. Alright, yes! Amazing job. Seems like a problem. Did you just kill the cat that was up there?
That's right, not just
oh, it's right there. Ah! Okay, well, let's go this way this time. Oh, this is just over here. Oh, okay, so we actually have to go over here and do this stuff first. Okay, well, it doesn't look too, doesn't look too difficult. Well, at least this first part doesn't. Not yet, at least. Is it gonna be horrible? This is the worst part by far right here. Well, this guy just screws with you the whole time. Just stop it! Stop it! This guy is the worst thing in existence. Stop! Oh my god. This guy is the worst. Stop. Stand on top of him. Dang it. No, get out of the way. No. No. Oh, there's another one. Wow, it's a rare occasion. Stop destroying the blocks. Jesus Christ, that guy is the worst. Come at me, beast face. Okay, I got, oh, jeez. Okay, I didn't know that was gonna happen. Alright, I'm gonna do this one more time. I'll try this one more time. And then I'm gonna end the video, and then we're gonna finish this in the next episode. Hopefully. Oh my god. Get out of the way! This guy sucks. Hope he dies. And go past this thing. Wait, is he not gonna shoot grenades over here? Okay. Uh-oh. Yeah. Alright. Made him blow himself up. Oh, wait. There. Actually, I don't know if that's a good thing. I don't know. Oh. How do I... Oh my god. I did not think I was gonna be able to do that. That was amazing. Oh no. That's a lot of rocks. Where do I go? Okay, wait until that. Alright, go this way. Oh, we're not doing bad. Not bad at all. Oh, right. Okay, he can't fit through. Okay, good job. Like, say, okay. Alright, I'm gonna end it right here. And then, yes, I'm gonna end it right here. And then I'm just gonna start recording again right after this. So the video is not too long. Goodbye.